Okay, questions? Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, Kim.
I am a retailer. I sell other people's products, and we're in the motorsports industry. A lot of my vendors are really hard to work with. They don't help me when I have something that I need help with. They're very difficult to work with, and I just wanted to know how you get around that. How do you go about it nicely, but still aggressive so they know I'm needing something?
You know, how many calls did you make today? 3.
Well, probably 1.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I know you're not making any volume because you're just getting the hard ones. Mm-hmm. The way to get the easy ones is to increase the volume. The harder you work, the luckier you get.
And that's what I'm working on right now. I hate phone calls. Like, I would cry for making phone calls. It's my hardest thing to do.
See, how many people here are like, man, I don't have any abs? Because you don't work them. You don't have, you see what I'm saying? You got to work it, okay? You don't like making the call because you don't do them.
Right.
Okay? Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Make more calls. Make more calls. Come on, make more calls.